Hey guys, backyard scrapping here. We're going to just do a quick mail call. A few weeks, not even a few weeks, a couple weeks ago, I guess I did a trade with Value Hunter, and I guess when he saw my video, he said he forgot to send me something, and I told him, I let him know that he sent me more than enough for the trade, that he didn't have to send me something, and the guy that he is, here it is, he sent it anyway. So let's see what he sent us. And Val, you did not have to do that. I mean, you sent more than enough for our trade. But I guess you're like me, you're going to do what you want to do anyway. So let's see what he forgot to send. Got a note. Alright. I already see what it is. He says, Dino, this is a melter for our trade that didn't make it in the envelope and ended up sitting on my desk. Sorry, but thanks again. Love my BYS pour. Take it easy, Value Hunter. Well, Val, like I said, our trade was fine the way it was. You didn't have to do this. I do appreciate it, though. And you are most definitely right. That is definitely a melter. That is probably... I don't think I've ever seen a piece dollar slicked out as good as this one. That is pretty... That's actually neat, because that, you know, God, if that coin could talk, where it's been, it actually looks like it was probably, for a while, it was probably a wallet coin. A lot of people back in the day, a lot of the old guys, I remember, now I'm an old guy, but a lot of them, I remember they used to, in their wallet, you'd see a leather wallet, and they'd have that ring, you know, that dollar-sized, silver dollar-sized ring in their wallet, where they carried a silver dollar, and that's what that one looks like. It looks like it was a wallet coin. But Val, anyway, thank you very much. I appreciate it. Like I said, brother, you didn't have to do that. I mean, the trade was adequate, but I will toss this one in the scrap bin, and I appreciate it. If you didn't see, or if you didn't see our trade or whatever, I'm going to put a link to Value Hunter's channel. Down in the description area, and I'll see if I can put a card up here to his channel. But go check him out and give him a sub if you haven't, you know, if you haven't seen his channel. And we'll see you guys in the next video.